In this video, we will show you how to check leakage and change the seal kit in the EMAL cylinder. But, before starting, let's understand the potential reasons for leakage. Piston seal damage, wear and tear. Joint o-ring deterioration. Piston rod dents or damage. Dust or debris buildup inside the cylinder body and on the piston rod. This is the SPAC Standard EMAL series cylinder. This is the front cup side. And this is the rear cup side. This is the barrel. This is the piston rod. These are masking caps. And this is the chuck nut. Firstly, we have to check the leakage in the cylinder. Assemble the fitting at the front cup side port. Now, supply air pressure in the front cup port and apply thick soap at the rear cup port. If bubbles appear, the piston seal is leaking. Now, check joint leakage. Apply thick soap at the joint of the barrel and end cover. If bubbles appear, the joint is leaking. Next, check for leakage from the rod seal. Apply thick soap at the rod seal area. If bubbles appear, the rod seal is leaking. Remove the air supply. Now remove the fitting from the front side and assemble it at the rear side port. Supply air pressure and apply thick soap at the front cup port. If bubbles do not appear, there is no leakage on this side. Now, let's replace the damaged seals. This is the piston seals, a cushion pad, and a piston rod joint o-ring, barrel joint o-rings, a rod seal. Now hold the cylinder in benchwise and open the front cup. Observe the damaged piston seals. Now remove the damaged seals from the piston and replace them with new ones. Remove the piston seals using a tool and replace it with a new one. Now check the rod seal. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Carefully remove the damaged rod seal with a tool. Now check the barrel joint o-rings and if it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Carefully detach the worn-out barrel joint o-rings with the help of a tool. Now, apply pneumatic grease with the help of a brush, ensuring proper coverage. If the cushion pad is working properly, no need to replace it. Now, it's time to reassemble the cylinder and test for leakage again. Apply thick soap again to check for bubbles. If bubbles are not coming, the cylinder is ready for use. The cylinder is now all set for reinstallation and reliable operation. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.